Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Farizal from Study Management 2022 Class A NPM 22411102. Selection and placement. Selection and placement are two important steps in the company employees recruitment process. Selection is the process of screening and selection employees who are determined to meet the criteria in accordance with the character of the job being applied for. Selection criteria are characteristics a person must have to do a job skillfully. Ability, motivation, eligibility, consistency, appropriate risk, and determination may be good selection criteria for many jobs. After the selection process is carried out, the placement stage is carried out with the hope that the company will be able to get a good number and quality of work from an employee. Placing someone into the right job position is the goal of the placement stage. The placement of human resource must be seen as a matching process where if an employee is suitable for the job, it will affect the quantity and quality of the employee's work. This matching also directly affects training and operation costs. Definition of selection. Selection is the process of selection provided employees who have qualification in accordance with job recruitment. Selection is carried out after the recruitment process and is for human resource management operation. Selection is carried out the number of applications and obtain qualified and competent employees. Selection is carried out with a series of activities that carried out the decide whether an applicant in a state aspect or registered in a particular ability of understanding as a series of tests carried out. Selection is also referred to as an activity of selection and determining applicant. The selection process involves choosing from various objects with only a few objects being selected. Employment selection is more specifically about making the decisions by limiting the number of employees who can be contracted. The work from a selection of a group of potential employee candidates. The purpose of selection is to get new employees who have economic value for the company, have high productivity, and have the skill set required by the position. The selection method is a series of activities that be carried out by the company to decide whether an applicant is accepted or rejected after undergoing a series of tests. The following are several employee selection methods commonly used by company HR. Ability test, integrity test, personality test, job knowledge test, spatial ability test, hand-on price selection of application letters, resume check, portfolio assessment, interview. The selection method is must be the one that is felt to be the most appropriate and efficient to avoid employees according to the company needs. Apart from that, the right selection method will provide the result that every recruiter dreams of, namely getting quality candidates. The search result provide information on the criteria from employee selection. According to the search, selection is a process of evaluating and deciding whether a job application is suitable for a particular person in organization. The following are some of the criteria that can be used in the selection process. Job analysis. Selection should be based on job analysis with a purpose describing the job and specifying the qualification required for the job. Qualification such as the education, work experience, physical education, and personality are important criteria for selection. Technical ability. The ability of employees to perform the tasks required for a particular job in important selection criteria. Behavioral character. The behavior and character of employees are important criteria for selection, such as ability to work independently, have a sense of self, and have good attitude. Character. The character of a person is important to consider in the selection process, as it can affect their work performance. Therefore, it is important to consider the character of job application in the selection process. In conclusion, the criteria for employee selection include job analysis, qualification, technical ability, behavioral characteristic, and character. The criteria are important to consider in the selection process to ensure that the selected employees are suitable for the job and can perform their duties effectively. The selection for conclusion. Placement process. The placement process can refer variety of things depending on the context. Or are some examples of placement process that can be found in sources result. Placement of customer and sleep. Placement of conspice. Placement of conspice refers to the process of placing a person who has been found quality by a core improvement and was status changed to a confit or so called confit. Correctional intention aim to provide guarantee to prisoners and good placement of prisoners is a part of the development process is a correctional intention. Calculation. The search result provide various documents related to the selection and placement of employees in a company. However, there is no specific question to answer. Please provide a specific question related to the topic so that I can provide a more accurate and detailed answer. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.